Hello guys, I'm Davis and today we are going to make this hanger rack. Recently I wanted to purchase something like this. While shopping I noticed that most of the hanger racks looked a little fragile, so I thought to myself, why don't you make it yourself? As always, I did some sketching and at the end I came up with something like this. By the way, if you have to sketch parts that are symmetrical, you don't have to sketch both sides. Just use mirror function and you will save half of the time. That may seem quite obvious, but that actually was one of my first mistakes when starting out in modeling. Anyways, I laid out the parts on the sheet and did some CNC cutting. These are the parts I made, so let's quickly assemble this thing and see how it looks. I just realized that this part looks identical to the one I used for storage shelf a while ago. By the way, I also made a couple of these. I uploaded the hanger files on Aribabox homepage, so you can get a free copy and make some for yourself. I hope you enjoyed this project. If you did, leave a like and subscribe so you're the first one to see the next week's project. Thank you, till next time.